Do you know how terrifying a vacuum can be? First, imagine putting your arm into a sealed glass jar, then taping the opening and using a device to create a vacuum inside. As the blood flow stops, the person in the experiment feels discomfort and quickly turns off the device. When the arm is removed, the skin turns red. But what happens if we put pure gold inside? Even when thin sheets of gold are placed in a vacuum, nothing happens. However, as soon as the vacuum is released, the gold shatters into pieces, wildly bouncing around inside. So what would happen if we put a rubber doll in a vacuum? As the air inside the doll decreases, its body starts to inflate. This is what would happen to a human body if it were exposed to the vacuum of space without a spacesuit. Now, something truly fascinating happens when a watermelon is placed in a vacuum. First, when we put a piece of watermelon in a vacuum, nothing changes. But when we extract the juice from the watermelon, the situation changes. The juice begins to boil, eventually expanding and overflowing.